Are you a photographer who's dreamed of stepping into the world of weddings, but unsure if you're really ready? Maybe you've second shot a few times or even photographed a handful of weddings on your own, but you still feel like you're winging it when it comes to lighting, gear, or capturing key moments with confidence. We totally get it. We've been there. Now, with over 15 years of experience and having photographed over 400 weddings, we want to share everything that we've learned with you.
That's exactly why we've created the Complete Wedding Photography Guide, a step-by-step, no-fluff course designed for photographers who want to feel competent, confident, and fully prepared to photograph a wedding from start to finish.
You'll learn how to expertly photograph and edit the top 100 moments on a wedding day, from the first context shots of the venue to the sparkler send-off at night.
We've taken our strategies, systems, tips, and techniques and organized everything into 100 concise lessons you can access anytime, anywhere.
For each moment, we walk you through what gear and lenses to use, camera settings and lighting setup, how to set up for or anticipate the shot,
and how to edit a full wedding efficiently without cutting on the quality so that you can deliver your galleries within days instead of months.
Whether you're using natural light or navigating indoor light with off-camera flash, you'll learn how to shoot in real-life conditions with real weather, real lighting challenges, and real time crunches by learning from examples from real weddings.
We'll also show you exactly how we edit, from culling to creating consistent gallery-wide tones and fine-tune editing each and every image for delivery and display.
If you've ever wondered which lens to use, or how to balance flash and ambient light, or how to handle a dark reception or dance floor, this guide is for you.
Whether you're looking to add a few weddings to your portfolio or go full-time into wedding photography,
our guide will give you the tools, clarity, and confidence to not just survive a wedding day, but to create images that wow your couples, whose referrals will build and grow your business exponentially.
Visit ShaneLongPhotography.com/courses for more information. We'd love for you to join us.